So hello, welcome back again to this channel, my friends. Today we are going to talk about how to merge multiple layers into one. Without wasting time, let us dive into it. So the first thing that I want us to do is you have to import your data that you have downloaded. If you have layers in shape files, you have to import them. I have already done mine. So if you have not added your layers into your QGIS. So once you've opened your QGIS, you have to bring in the layers. That is easy. Just go through layers, add, then go to vector layers. Then you can select those that you want to add to your layers. I've already added mine. I will use this one to demonstrate. So then you click open, then add. But I've already done that, so let me go back. So these are my two layers that I want to merge into one. So when I click on this Kajiado A, you can see this Kajiado East full map, this one and this one. So this is a one layer and this is another layer. So I want to merge this layer and this layer together. So the first thing that I want to do is I'll go to vectors, go down to data management tool, then go to merge layers. So once you're here, you will look for this option. You will come here, input, then you will tick the layers that you want to add. You can have as many as you want. You can have as many layers as you want to make sure that you merge them together. So look at this Kajiado A and Kajiado East full map. So then I'll click OK. So once I click OK, the destination CRS, I will leave it optional. I will leave it default. Then here, I will come to save the file where I want to save my file. So let me say, for example, Kajiado. I'll type there Kajiado merged map. So then once I have this, I'll click save. So then I'll click run. So once I run, I'll click close. So once I close, you find out that when now I do away with this has become one layer. Because look at this. Let me make you understand. So if you want to see the attribute of Kajiado A, just come here and you click on open attribute table. You can see this is the attribute table for Kajiado A. Then you can also see the attribute table for Kajiado East. This is it. But now, since we have merged them together into one layer, those attributes will appear in this map. So when we open these attributes, it has information for Kajiado A and Kajiado East full map. And that is how you can merge your layers into a single layer in QGIS. So if you found this video helpful, please make sure you subscribe and share and comment down there. If you have any question, please make sure you leave it down in the comment box. See you in the next video.